Okay, it's Sunday. It's been a crazy week. I finished the project for the Tacoma. I put the new front eye box springs in. I just have to take that for a test drive down at the beach today. I need to pick up the Bayside Blue 34 that just came in this week, Friday. I thought Aaron was leaving for Japan Friday, but it turns out he's leaving for Japan Monday or something. So we need to move the Bayside Blue out of there because he has two shipment of cars coming in next week. So there's no room. He's bringing a bunch of Pajeros, a bunch of Land Rovers, some big trucks are coming in. First thing I need to do is change out this. This came in from Australia. It's sealed. This is supposed to be my high flow cat. When I got the white 34, I could smell something kind of weird from the exhaust. And already I knew that someone had hollowed out the cat. Now, while that might add 3 to 5 horsepower, because it's on a stock ECU, you're not going to gain the benefits of it. There's no way to adjust the fuel air ratio. There's not a way to adjust the injector pulse width. There's not a way to adjust timing or anything. The computer can only do so much, very little. So you're gonna smell all that fuel, all that unburnt gas, and that's what I was smelling. The only way to correct it is to put a catalytic converter back in. That's what the computer is designed to run around. It's just 4 bolts. These things are so easy. So that's the project for today. It's already super early in the morning. I need to get this catalytic converter on the car, get down to Aaron's, move the 34, the Bayside Blue, to a secured location that we're gonna store it at, and then I can come back home and work on the Tacoma. It's a crazy day. Anyway, so let me get this up on the get this up on the jack stands, and I guess I'll show you guys real quick what it takes to put this in. Alright, well, this is what it looks like. Really nice construction. Everything looks good. Kind of cool. Came with gaskets. To prevent this thing from smelling a little, I'm going to wipe the whole thing down with some brake cleaner. It probably has some kind of fluid on it to keep it from rusting. I mean, I could paint it, but forget it. I'm not going to paint it. The cells inside are bigger. So the cells are bigger, and I think there's less cells, but it looks pretty cool. And that's how they make high flow cats. They just make everything bigger internally to allow for more flow. Oh, the flanges are nice. The welds are nice. Everything looks freaking nice. Okay, time to get the car up, get this thing in. All right, so I'll show you guys the bolts that I need to take off. There and there. Okay, so since it's gonna be too hard to film, even though it is on a tripod, I'll just blast these off real quick and get the new cat in. Oh, God, it's hot. Okay, I'll be right back. All right, as you can see, I got the cat out and it is hollow. All right, simple as that. Just get the new one in, bolt it up, take it for a drive. That should be it. So let me get this thing in real quick. I'll be right back. Okay, everything is in. That should cure all my problems. Let me clean up and take it for a test drive. Get down to see Aaron and pick up the Bayside Blue. All right, I'll be right back. Okay, so far so good. Everything is running perfect. I don't smell any extra nasty exhaust gas or fumes or anything. I guess that's it for this project. Super fast, super easy, just swapping out the converter. Yeah, unless it had a standalone ECU, then that would have been okay to run free flow, but because there is no standalone and I'm running on a stock ECU, it's best to have the converter in. All right, so anyway, I have a ton more projects to do today. I need to finish about 3 videos. I'm scrambling around. So thank you again everybody for sticking around. I shall see you guys on my next project.